how to save your favorite HelloFresh recipes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep your favorite HelloFresh recipes handy, well here is how to save recipes using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on recipes or my menu to find the meals that you love. And here you can simply search for the recipes, and once you've found it, you can simply tap on the heart icon or save button on a recipe to add it to your favorites. And with that, you can simply go to your favorites or saved recipes to view all your saved meals. And that's it. That's how you can save your favorite HelloFresh recipes. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.